My name is Jocelyn Moorhouse, and I'm a screenwriter, author, director, and storyteller. What I love about the work I do in film and television is sharing stories. Stories help us to understand the world around us differently and imagine other ways it can be. They help us understand how other people live outside of what we know and help us develop an understanding of those who might be different from us. Today I'm reading a story about a cast of friendly and fun kids who invite their friends over to their house to play. Come Over to My House, written by Eliza Hull and Sally Rippin, and illustrations by Daniel Gray Barnett. Come over to my house. Come over and play. I'll show you around. You can stay the whole day. We'll swing on the swing set and splash in the pool. Then I'll race you inside where my bedroom is cool. If we get hungry, I'll make you a treat. There are snacks in the pantry. You're welcome to eat.